Right, folks, who better to tell you about how to live a happy life than someone with the word in their name? Linton Happy Smith is here to tell us about his book, Living Bliss, The Practice of Happiness, a book guiding you toward happiness and a blissful life. Morning, sir.
Morning, Neville.
Good to see you.
My pleasure.
And all the very, very best to you and your family for the year, sir. Hope
Thank you, and the same to you,
best
sir.
year ever. Thank you. Living in Bliss, The Practice of Happiness. Why you wanted to write this?
Well, I'm a coachee. I'm a coach, and I have some coachee. And it's like trainer and trainees. And they keep asking me, how can I be happier? I do this and things are not happening for me. I do all I need to do for my children and I'm still not getting what I want out of them. And they start a lot of things with why. Why is it that I'm feeling? Why? And I think that that is a wrong way to ask questions of yourself. So I started looking at what is it that is the foundation of happiness, right? What is it really? And I realized that there are 7 reasons why we are not as happy as we ought to be.
7
main reasons why we're not happy. And that is what the book covers. It looks at emotional development. It looks at environmental awareness. It looks at financial awareness. The other one is intellectual awareness. It looks at physical awareness, and that means somatic. I'm not talking about lifting weight in the gym. Somatic. And we talk about social, the connection that you have with friends and family, and spiritual. Those are the 7 areas. If we are not satisfied in those 7 areas, we can never be happy. If we are not growing in those 7 areas, and all of us are at different stages in those 7 areas, we're at different stages. So some persons are emotionally stable, but when it comes to intellectually, they're not there. They don't read. They don't do anything in terms of trying to build the intellect and all of that. So, and if you find that you have deficiency in any one of these areas, then your happiness level is going to be lower. Your well-being is going to be much lower.
But isn't it difficult, though, to be good at all of those things all the time?
No, you're not going to be good. Difficult? You're not going to be good at all of them all the time. But you need to know where you need to props, where you need to build up. Because surely, if I find that the things that got me angry at 15, I am still getting angry at 65. Then it means that surely I have not grown emotionally. Yeah. So we need to look at it and work on ourselves, really.
Chapter 10, you say experience, acceptance, and happiness, which is the headline there. But you say you will never be happy thinking about what your life could have been without your ailment or other negative situations.
Well, let me tell you, we were socialized in a system from home, school, and the environment that tells us that, look, we need to look toward the future. If you get 7 subjects, you can go to university. If you get this...